Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new in this channel, press the subscribe button, and for more video notification, press the bell icon. So here we go. So friends, in this video I'm gonna review on this product. So here's the product is D-Link router. Model is N300. So here we can see what we are getting in this box: wireless N300 router, DIF615, power adapter, Ethernet cable, quick install guide and warranty documents. As you can see, here is MRP is 1800. So friend, let me unboxing the box. So here's the quick installation guidebook. So here's the warranty and safety information guidebook. And here we are getting 9-volt output adapter. So here is our router, and it is the Ethernet cable. And I like to make a particular video on this Wi-Fi setup, how to connect, etc, etc. That video link I will share in my description box. You can also see from there. So here's our router with black matte finish. As you can see, here's the branding D-Link. And let me turn on the router. So here's the WAN port, LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN 4, and here's the reset button. You can easily clear on these ports. Already here is written. So friends, you can also buy this product through the link which I have given in my description box. I hope this video is helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share.